What's going on, guys? How we doing out there? Happy Wednesday to everyone. Hope you're doing well. What is new? What's going on? Same old stuff here. Been very busy. I know, shocker. So yeah, of course, still got to work on the game, but I had to set up the Steam wishlist page. Well, the basic Steam page for Tribble Troubles. And yeah, didn't realize that was going to be basically a whole day's worth of work. You got to create a ton of content for it in terms of like art and all that kind of stuff, and adding all the text, all the info. Finally got it done, and happily it's actually up. Here you go. Give a quick preview there for anyone that's here. There you go. So that's cool. You can see like the the little background there, right? That's kind of cool. There you go. It's already listed as my library because it's me. It's my game. Release date, July 10th. Fingers crossed if everything goes well. Got some animated GIFs in here. I like saying GIF. Sorry if you think it's GIF, that's fine, but I'm going to say it wrong. GIF. But yeah, so I got a breakdown, show the underground, and just basically a little quick interaction with all the enemies. So you start off the glommers like that, and then you get to see a quick shot of the sandworms. And if you scroll down here, and then you got like the ape, right? And I'm basically showing, in these cases, I'm showing how to take them out. In this case, of course, there's no way to take out a crew member, so now it's just you getting zapped, right? So there you go. Nice little breakdown, right? If you quick scroll through there. They're like 2 or 3 meg a piece, so it made the page a little beefy, but come on, it's Steam, so I think it'll be fine. But yeah, all the base information, right? A little breakdown, that kind of stuff. Up here, of course, I got the standard. I got the gameplay video, and then the trailer that shows the intro and that kind of stuff, and then I got the screenshots. So got all the stuff that should be there, right? All that kind of fun stuff, right? And then I got there you go, get to see the progress map as well. Also have a blatant name drop here. Gameplay development. It was developed in creative collaboration with David Gerald, who actually wrote the screenplays, who is obviously, that's the partner I'm partnered with, which allows me to make the game in the first place without getting, sued out of existence. And then my old buddy Doug Drexler, who I worked with on Battlestar Galactica a million years ago, got him to sort of just kind of like offer some input, and as a result, I get to name drop him as well, who has had a illustrious career on several Star Trek projects, working predominantly in the art department. So, yay for that. Helps give it a little Star Trek edge there. But there you go, pages up, can be wish lists. Hint, hint, in case this little thing was too subtle. Wish list on Steam now. It's like my little pseudo subliminal message there. But there you go. So that's all set up and nice and running. All right, so enough of the shameless plugs. Let's go ahead and get some stuff done here. Let me stretch this out, just so OCD action here. Just make that like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just do the round robin like I did before. So I'm going to start off making a canyon level, right? And then move on to jungle, and then move on finally to spaceship. So, and I had this inclination. Originally, I was thinking about doing like, hey, Jispo, hey, look at that, Jispo's coming by. What up, buddy? How's it going, man? Jispo, tell me, so did you already make a Steam page for yourself? Did you already get that fired up? Or is that like coming soon, kind of, you're going to do that in the near future? Yeah, you got it. Okay, I finally got mine done. I don't know if you were here a second ago, but here you go. Finally got mine active. So, there you go. I got all my crap listed here. So, and just figures better to get that up sooner rather than later. Yeah, my hesitation was I want to make sure, oh, you saw it, cool. Yeah, my thing is I want to make sure I had enough content for it, right? And that was my key thing, was the fact that I'd focused so long on the initial stuff and just getting all the mechanics in place that it wasn't until later on that I actually had all the environments that I was ready to start doing the show and tell on that. So yeah, that's kind of why I held off, about what, 4 months until release date. But Merlin's here too. Look at this. Wow, a couple of old school guys here hanging out with me. What's up, gents? Yeah, what's up, Merlin? What's going on, man? So so basically I got that fired up. So I'm gonna start doing some proper pushing in terms of exposure now. Hopefully, now that the wishlist page is alive and kicking on Steam. So doing good. Been busy with work deadlines incoming. What's going on, man? Anything exciting you can talk about, or just hush hush? So for me, at this point, I'm in decent shape. Oh, so what I was talking about, what I was thinking of, if I can drag that page back out again, just since it was there. Whoa, I didn't close it, did I? I think I closed it like an idiot. Really? Well, that's not too smart. Really? Yeah, I've lost all my quick hot links here. No. Really? Okay, I've lost the ability to show anything. Not sure. Wish I had more time to hang out, but I'll lurk for a bit. Just both. That's cool, man. Thanks for coming by and saying hello, right? Now that we're also part of that little Discord channel as well, so hopefully good things come out of that as well. Steam games. Why am I missing this? Okay, fine. I'm just going to go like this. Go, Scary Robot. Steam. Oops. 5. There it goes. All right, there it is, finally. So, okay, here we go. That was way too much effort for way little result. But, so what I've been toying with is originally, let's see, can I make this any bigger? That might be. Let's see. Just saw you online want to say hi. Yeah, COVID-19 killing all the conventions. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, I'm hoping this is a passing fad. I hope this thing sort of like burns itself out, especially with summer coming. Hopefully warmer temperatures kind of help on this, but yeah, it's kind of a bum right now. But yeah, I mean, hoping. I know that World Health Organization just listed it as a pandemic. I guess it sort of like teeters on that official level, but yeah, let's hope COVID does a quick exit here in the very near future, because it's definitely wreaking havoc on all of our usual setups. But all right, so what I was going to mention was the fact that watch list. Oh, sweet, thanks, man. So yeah, so what I was originally talking about doing was I had this idea of like 4 levels and then sort of a boss level, which is basically just sort of like a mad dash to get out, sort of like a climbing kind of thing, kind of like the bonus room is, but just like that. But then part of the reason I kind of nixed that was the fact that you know, in the spaceship, that climbing sort of threat of lava obviously doesn't exist up here. Excuse me. But what I thought about is maybe what I'd do is just sort of taper this down. Because another thing I'm thinking about is I don't want to hit the level of repetition, right? So if these worlds have the same environments, excuse me, but I don't repeat it 4 times, I do it 3 times, and then the 4th one, you change it up and start doing the climbing stuff, right? Excuse me. And then for this final one here, right, that's the same for here. The first 3 sections of the spaceship is the traditional climbing stuff. And then the final one is the big event, which I'd already planned to do anyways. So I think that these can, in essence, kind of become sort of like quasi-boss environments, because it'll be a change-up from what's been before. And the nice thing is that I can also focus more on just getting a good number, right, without getting a ton of levels out. And sort of, if it's only 3 sections, then hopefully I can get more variations, right? Without having, with 4, then you got, you know, 33% more that you got to contribute. So anyways, long story short, getting at is the hopes that I can still make a fun game, plenty of content, but also not feeling repetitious. So that is the game plan. So anyways, what's up, guys? I lost my screen over here. One sec. Let me bring this back up. There we go. All right, I'm back and alive here. Okay. So, whoops. So once again, back to the fun time. So I'll change it up here, whereas before I was doing left and left. Today I'll do left, right. Once again, the levels can flip automagically, so I don't have to worry about making the alternate variations of that. That'll basically get taken care of by the code. So we'll start with that, and then here we're talking about a bunch of sandworms and glommers. So let me think. I love how you have a casual level editor. Yeah. Will this be in the game too? Not initially, because my original intention was to make it so I could get some help producing the levels, but that sort of went south for a couple different reasons. And then I started cutting corners, realizing that it was less about making it bulletproof for any user and just making it for me. So as a result, there's still a bunch of stuff that's really kind of broken. And also, this doesn't produce a finished product, because right now you can see, like, if I do this, you see how it's all the same tile, right? So right now I do a second pass where I clean stuff up and, you know, put other features in there. And so there's still some manual labor that comes in after the fact. So long story short, no. If it's something that it's, you know, there's a big screaming for it, then, you know, obviously I would work on this and make it a little more usable and make it accessible. Yeah, maybe. It could be a DLC. I mean, I would love that, man. If the game has legs, you know, and then people are going, we want more levels, you know, and I kind of go, well, then here you go, dude. Here's the keys. Go take it for a drive. I'd be totally cool with that. And I guess even if it's for, like, DLC stuff, I think the fact that if it is just like a repetitious line like that, I don't think people are going to be bugged by that. I think it'd be less about that, more about the puzzles. So that may be possible, but at least for this, for the main game core, I want it to be as pretty as possible. So, but yeah, good question. So, how about you, Merlin? You say you got deadlines incoming, but nothing you can actually, yeah. You're like, I don't know. Maybe I could tell you, but I might have to kill you afterwards. Delete all the text. You know, I'm gonna shrink this down, make this like a 2. So you have to come up in here. So just get this going like that. Boom, like in here, like so. Yeah, that's how I want to start this. All right, so let's go ahead and save as spaceship 9. So this is, okay. So this is actually gonna be Canyon. Oops, let me see what the latest I did on Canyon was. Canyon 11, so this would be Canyon 12. Whoops, 12. All right, so that is pretty good. And then, let's see, how about having just like some lava right off the bat? So we'll do this, and we'll say, put a lava flow right in here. Increase that length there. Add some, let's see. No, not like I make some work, but I don't really know if I'm legally fully allowed to speak about it. Yeah, I totally get that, dude. I mean, I've got 20 years worth of NDAs, so I guess not that big of a deal. Yeah, that's cool. So let's see. Actually, let me do it that way, and I'll take out that one so you can kind of get through here. Although actually, that's kind of cool. Here, I think I'll do it that way. All right, and he's not gonna go. Let me try that again. There. Boom, 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 and then see if that. Oh, it's active. Okay, good. Okay, no, that's too tight. Let me get rid of this one. Don't want to piss the player off there. Oops, I went too fast there. That's pretty good. Yeah. So you can try and go straight up if you're like a pro, or you can go to the wall. Oh, shoot. All right, I got to take that one out. That's still too much. Like, I think I'm fine if I'm saying I'm making an editor for a journalist for a certain company. Okay. That's plenty right there. So, let's see. I do want that, but I want to, okay. So what I'm going to do is ground lava. Take that one out, knowing that I'm going to put like a half one in there. Gotcha, web editor. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, all right. Well, that's enough without getting in trouble, so that's cool. So, yeah, you get to, Nerd it! What up, buddy? Welcome, man. Welcome. Since I'm doing web dev. Yeah. That's cool. So, Merlin, I mean, you kind of get, like, pulled in different directions? You get, like, freelance stuff like that with varying things? Or how does that work for you? Alright. So, yeah, see, that's just too easy now. So, I got to take this and put that one platform edge back there. What's going on, Nerd It? How you doing, buddy? Just trying to make some more levels here. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, you gotta do that fast. Might delay that a little bit because that's a little punishing. Let's see. Try that one more time. I'm working on TAFE assessment. Oh no, I work with it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a fixed contract in a company. Oh, gotcha. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, it's constant work. You're not constantly looking for new stuff. Crap, I cannot make this balanced. There it goes. Doing front-end work, so everything you can see on the webpage. Gotcha. Gotcha, makes sense. Alright, Nerd It, you're going to have to translate TAFE, T-A-F-E. I'm sure I should know what that means, but I really have no clue. Alright, so I'm going to have to visualize the fact that I'm going to have a half lava piece here, so I'm going to make that more accessible. So right now it's going to be too easy, but it will be harder once it gets for real. Just advanced school between high school and uni. Oh, gotcha. Okay, that's what it is down there. Gotcha. Okay. I honestly haven't heard of that, but I mean, I'm, you know, typical uneducated American, so it's just advanced school. Okay, so that's interesting. Technical and further education. Oh, sweet. Okay. So that and it's after high school and. So is it something that goes for a long period of time, or is it something that just goes over the summer and then you go into uni, or is it something where you focus on that for a while and you know, like for like a year or more and then go into uni? I'm just interested. That's kind of cool. Varies on the on the cause you choose. Okay, gotcha. So whatever career path you choose, that dictates how long it takes. That's cool. Sometimes you'd even go to uni after it. Well, that makes sense too, I guess. If you're like fully trained, right, and if you know, knowledgeable enough that you can jump into something and you start getting offers, kind of defeats the purpose of like going off to uni unless it's, yeah, I can't even come up with something there. I'd say that, yeah, if you're ready. Oh, here he goes. Good luck, Merlin. Let's see. Come on, Penny. Treat him right. Oh no. Yeah, just a little ahead of her that time. Sorry, buddy. Well, the good news is you can't go into negative numbers, so, you know, you're still at 0. Yeah, poor Penny. The real thing, she's getting all mad at me now because it's been, I love this, it's been raining here in Las Vegas the last couple of days, so she hasn't been getting the real thing done, and she's starting to get, like, really stir crazy. Is it pronounced Tafe or is it just T-A-F-E? I don't know if you say it as a word or not, but you can get certificates of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a diploma depending on the company. The requirement may be just that you have one of those or higher. Oh, that's sweet. I like that. Okay. Okay. TAFE. I'll say TAFE. You can tell me if that's wrong or not, but. Yep, okay, TAFE. Got it. I like that because we have like secondary schools, right? We have, you know, some vocational training kind of things here, but it's not something, it's normally something people do as opposed to going to college, you know, or something of that nature. But no, that's cool. That's cool that it sort of like gives you a chance to try something out and then pursue that and then maybe shift over and just go back into college or uni, as you say. All right. So I'm liking this. I think I might do a couple. Since I'm here, I might like do another one of these. Oops. Oh yeah, I gotta like push that so I can protect so you don't get like smacked there. And I think, let's see, I might just make that. Let's see. No, I might leave a little gap here and have a little sneak in place here. So let's do another. What the heck? Oh shoot, I'm gonna need platform like that, like so. That should work. Oh, poor Penny. I know the struggle of the rain. Here in Belgium, it hasn't been great, but our dogs get their walks. If not, they go, like, to the garden. Go in, at least the big one does. Yeah, well, I mean, you can see a little piece. That's you know, that is our backyard that you're seeing in the little fetch right there. But, oh, crap. I didn't think about that. Hold on. I gotta, my little, blatant, pandering. There it goes. Was getting underneath the text there. So there you go. How can I beg you guys to wish list it on Steam if you can't even read it? Yeah. So she'll go out there, but I mean it's not the same as like getting her frisbee time. Oh shoot. I can't say the F word. She'll come running up. Let's see, doing Cert 3 in web design so I can do a Cert 4 in programming so I can go to AIT Academy of IT Uni. Oh, sweet. So UI and UX, both. Nice, okay. Yeah, that is awesome, man. That is so cool. I'm so jealous of the fact that that's actually an option, you know. It's not that, you know, schools don't have them here. It's just they didn't have them back when I was in school, you know, which is before electricity. It's not the years, it's the mileage, as Indiana Jones used to say. Let's see. Oh, shoot. If I do this, though, crap. I'm going to have to do this because that will potentially hit there. So, if I do it that way. Ooh, that's going to be a little tight, too. We'll try that. I understand, but it's never too late to learn something new if you're interested. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't, if there was something specific I was interested in that I was not familiar with, I wouldn't hesitate to go back. But yeah, I wish that it was there when I was younger. You know. But, you know, wah. Alright, let's see. Oh, shoot. Might help if I actually put the lava in there, don't you think? Like so, and that length looks good. Yes, it does. And let's put ground in there. Yeah, I know that's broken. All right, save, play. Probably will say the same in 10 years. Oh, stupid thing. Let's try that again. There it goes. There we go. And now they're in perfect sync. So I'm going to fix that. Because that looks a little weird. Initial delay. There. Save, play. Now they should be offset. Or he's just going to be broken again. Jerk. Nah, they're in sync, but they shouldn't be. That's just the level editor kind of screwing it up there. There it goes. So you can make it. Yep. It's a little snug, but that's good. That's a good challenge. I like that. All right. Cool. Let's bounce out here and then throw... let's see. I got room here, so I'll tell you what. Let's throw in a glommer. Yeah. Put a glommer up in here. Let's move them over a little bit. Let's see. I mean, I remember starting and learning about the all and new HTML5. Ooh, yes, new hotness. And CSS3, cascading style sheets, and some JavaScript with jQuery. I got a fuzz there. Now I got to learn way more to keep up. Yeah. Yeah, I don't envy you that. I mean, I'm glad I'm just sort of like using a tool in Unity in this case, right? And then even that, right? I'm hoping that after this game goes out, right, and gets a little traction, I'm hoping that I can sort of like go into a larger scale game with a larger budget and hire people that know what the heck they're doing, so this stuff can get done a lot faster and a lot better next go round. But yeah, looking forward to actually, once this goes out, I'm looking forward to sort of like cluing you guys into the next project based on another science fiction IP, which I can't wait to tell you guys about. But that'll be coming up pretty soon, if I can get this done in time. Right. Oh, shoot, but you're never going to... Oh, yeah, I guess you can, but it's a tight squeeze. Let's see. Do I want to do it that way? I need that because it can hit there. Because there's, I talked about it before, the tiling, the masking on the tiling sometimes breaks a little bit with Unity. Excuse me. And as a result, sometimes you can actually take damage while standing on top, even though you shouldn't. And the simplest fix is just to have it that way. I could just sort of maybe drop it to a sandworm. And then, how about that? That you can't actually squish, but you can sort of like run behind and collect something. I did that on a previous one. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that instead. So let's toss in a sandworm. There it is. And set his range. I might extend this a little further. Like so. And it'd be kind of cool if you have to sort of like jump out and back up to get to. That'd be kind of a nice touch, I think. So let's get him, and what I'll do is not extend him so far, like that. All right, save, and let's see if that gets us there. Nope, let's see, is that? Yeah, that he needs to go a little further than that. So how about there? Done. And then, oh, let's move this one back to left. Done. Save. Go. There he goes. So what I'm shooting for is just something where it's too tight to try and squish him, but oh, that's a good challenge. I think the easier way might be just to come down here, right? And then go bounce, bounce, collect something, and then get the heck out of there. That's what I'm shooting for. All right. So let's see. In that case, I'll go ahead and put a QTC, maybe like right there. Yeah, I think that's good. Save. Let's see what that does. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow is meeting day, need to be a bit rested. It was fun to see you pop online earlier, at least from my time. That's kind of why I did it too, because I had some of you guys that are on the other side of the ocean from me, right, that didn't get a chance to say hello, so that's why I pushed it to 2. Gonna try to pop by more often. I feel I'm missing on so much all the time. Thanks, Merlin. Appreciate that, buddy. I'm glad you made it back around. But, I mean, that literally was one of the key reasons why I moved it from my usual start time of 3 down to 2, was just because I got some of you guys over there that I know were, like, saying, hey, I got to go to bed, bye, you know. But, yeah, and then, I mean, like, for people here, it's pretty much a middle of the workday. So, I mean, that's less of an issue. Those guys either are not working or not watching. So, that's kind of why I adjusted it. But, yeah, glad you came back around, buddy. Great to see you again. Well, great to see you here. How about that? Thanks, man. All right, so this, I think, placement and timing wise, I think this is going to work pretty well. So if you want this stuff, you got to go up in here, grab it, and get out. And kind of go like this. You can either go it that way, or you can come at it this way, but you got to be fast, like so. Well, if the new streaming time works out for you, I would say keep doing it. Anyway, yeah, bye. Take care, buddy. Yeah, I'll be doing this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 to 4. I cut it down to 2 hours just because I'm not quite as productive when I'm doing this, but I enjoy it more. But yeah, so I'm just doing 2-hour stints instead of the usual 3 or more that I was doing before. But yeah, all right, buddy. I hope you can make it around again on a different day. Take care of yourself. Okay, so this is good. I like this section. Save that. Now we need to fill up the space here. One of the things I want to do is basically try and avoid adding any platforms here, because I like this kind of tricky thing where you have to kind of, you know, quickly jump up there and grab it before he gets to you. I don't think, let me check this play. I want to make sure, I guess you can actually sit on the edge. If you want to be really brave or stupid, you can kind of sit on this edge right here and not get touched, but that's pretty dangerous. It's kind of cool though. Whoops. Like that. I could, let's see, I don't know if, yeah, that's only 2, so I'm going to leave it as is. Alright, done playing with that. Let's do some fun stuff over here. Alright, let's add a sandworm that we can actually squish, because I want to give you a chance to get some gems. That is true though. I kind of cheating you on the gems here, since you're never going to be able to squish him. Let me think about that for a second. Yeah, maybe I'll revisit that. Maybe. Okay, let's go platform. What I may introduce too is the idea that some of these might be kind of like the old Mario game, right? Where you have the ones you hit and coin will pop out from just terrain. I might go back and reintroduce that. I have the ability to add that, so I may just kind of sneak that in there from place to place. So you can still score some gems without having to actually squish some characters sometimes. I think I may revisit that. So, oh, this would be kind of fun. How about if I did... I don't know if I can make one reach this whole distance. God, that would be a monster one, wouldn't it? Let's see. I guess I can. Wow. That'd be kind of cool as a timing puzzle. Duration 1.5, so let's see if that gives it space. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Done. And then what we can do, let's see, let's add some stuff down here. So there's that. And platform. Maybe if we do it like that. So that's going to be kind of tricky. Save. Play. Oh, shoot. He's not moving. Come on, buddy. There they go. Oops. Oh, wow. That's tough. Might be a little too tough. Ah! Yeah. I might want to knock out one more tile out of there. Yeah, that's a little too challenging, I think. So, we'll go ahead and just take one more out here. Maybe put one in here, like that. Let's play with that, see what that looks like. Yeah. Oops. So then if we time this one, you gotta choose which one you want to get hit by. Oh, look at that. You're like right in between. That's like the magic spot right there. If you're brave enough to do it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of like that. All right, so we're good with that. That's a fun little bit, I think. Excuse me. All right, so then we'll throw a glommer since we killed the one that was up here. So we're going to put one back in here. Change his direction. Like so. And I think I go to that point. Done. Save. Play. Let's see if that's correct or not. Nope, that's too far. How about return trip? Yeah, he's okay there. But yeah, that's too far. So let's bring that red one back just one notch there. Save, play. That should be good now. Oops. Oh, I got no collisions going on now. Yep. Okay. Let me exit. Come back in. I think if I pause or exit the editor right when he's getting hit, taking damage, I think that knocks out the collider. I think he goes into a can't be hurt mode. Yeah, and doesn't come out. So that's one of the quirks I was talking about. That's like one of the many reasons why I don't really have plans to release this as an external editor for people. But you know, if I go back and clean this up, that's a lot of cleaning, by the way. If I did some cleanup, then I could maybe make this accessible and let people make their own levels. But that's a big maybe. We'll have to see. Like I said, if the game has legs, if the game does well, which, here you go. Another gratuitous plug if I can find it. There you go. Which now on Steam, right? There you go. Please feel free to look up Tribble Troubles on Steam and give it the old click on the old wish list, please. If it does well on Steam and Xbox and mobile, then yeah, I'd be happy to revisit and add some user potential content to the game, I think. But just got to get it done right now. Okay, so he's cool. Let's see. Boom, boom. Let's do something to tighten it up like that. That's kind of cool. All right. So you get like the little work room in there. You get a little space. You can squish them like that. All right. And then let's do one final sandworm in here. Excuse me. Yeah. Maybe a little tight. Let's see if this is too close. It might be. In this case, we'll let him go to the edge. Done. Save. Let's see what that does. Yeah, let's push that a bit further. Like so. Save, play. Yeah, okay. I think that'll be good. Because I want you to be able to at least get some gems out of it. Oops. Squish. Squish. There he goes. Cool. Yeah. And then, like I said, if I want to put more gems, I could hide them in here or something like that. That's something I can do on my cleanup pass. But anyways, the key thing is that I think this is going to be pretty cool. I got 3. I could be a jerk and add a 4th, but it's down here, so you got to earn that one. Let's make sure I'm saved. Okay. Yeah, let's see if that's just too nasty or not here. All right. Get that. Whoa. That's a close call. Yeah, you can do it. Look at that. Nothing but net. And I'll wait for him to come back over here. Squish. Get some gems. And then get out. Yep. Cool. Save. Alright, I'm going to consider that one pretty much done. Alright. Give me 1 sec here. Fill up my glass again. Alright. So, that is one. Unfortunately, the sad thing is that the canyon is a lot easier in terms of level development. If you guys remember, on Monday, canyon was easy. Then we go into the jungle. The jungle's a bit more challenging, but spaceship is definitely the hardest. You know, that it gets on bordering on the puzzle structure, right, as well as the arcade element as well. So let's go ahead and just shut this down, restart it. Alright, so let's switch. Now we got that. So let's do jungle, and then once again, kind of following the trend, we'll do a left and right, like so. Alright, so what do we want to do? You know what? That was kind of fun. So, okay. Need to have 2 different ways that you can get out. We haven't done something like that. That's kind of cool. I've been so focused on trying to make these spaced out levels that I haven't made much lately in terms of like little roundabouts and larger chunks. So I think I'll do that this time. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, let's see. I think I can get away with 2. Can't remember if I'm... Let's see. I think I can. But... yeah, we'll try that. Tell you what, let's go save as... where are we at in terms of our jungles? 10, so this would be jungle 11. Like like so. All right, so let's load up some older stuff. Just refresh my memory and see if I can. Yeah, okay. I got a 2 here, and he can buzz through there, for example. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah. So he scrapes his head a little bit on the top, but I think that's sort of like in video game parlance, I think that's permissible. Like that. Yeah, okay, good. 2 is fine. Okay, so let's go load. Let's go back and load 11. Sec. Alright, so that's cool. Now, what else do we want here? Maybe put a little edge there. Yeah, maybe not. I'm just thinking in terms of the ape. You know what? I guess he can jump down. That's fine. Yeah, I like the 3 space because once again, he either jumps like straight up on one or the other if it's only 2. So let's make a roundabout kind of like that, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, because this one obviously is only one he can do there. So how about if we do it this way? Because I like this thicker, so we have that 3. That's good. Boom, boom. So you can come from either direction. Yeah. So they can put it right here, and that will dictate if it goes up that way or that way. Okay. And should I make it like a full roundabout? I might do that. Alright. And then, oh, that'd be kind of cool. Let's just get some thickness going for a change. Okay, so do I want to make that a 2 or a 3? If it's 3, then the super skilled gamer can try and climb out with actually not having the ape clear it. Like so. Save. Play. Actually, that looks excessive. I think that's... Yeah, okay, that's too much. I think I can push that back up. So let's try this that way. Oh, take the vine. Hello. Come on, vine. Really? Ugh. There it goes. Couldn't select him for whatever reason. Alright, that's what I wanted. Save. Try that. So what I'm getting at here is normally... Oh, but I gotta do something where you come underneath so you can at least get to it. That's kind of cool. Like that. That's a bit of a difference there. I kind of like that. Save. Play. So obviously underneath... If you want the ape to clear that vine out, you're going to sneak up under here, and he'll go up there, try and get to you and squish the vine for you. Or if you're a super gamer, you can just try and kind of get by it. Oh, yeah, I don't know. No, I don't know if that's even possible. Let's see. Move him down. All right, I'm going to go back to that. Save, play. Yeah, I mean, it's still a challenge, right? I mean, I'm kind of doing it without hitting, but if you're trying to go fast... Yeah, see, that time I hit him. So it's still a dangerous move. Yeah. See, now I can't even do it at all. There you go. So I think the trick is you have to be here, right? And you have to absolutely jump up before you start sliding. So it's still a tight move. So I still think that's a very skilled gamer kind of position move there. So, okay. We're good. We're going to leave that there. So we got some fun stuff already, but let's go ahead and once again, like I always like doing here is I have 2 different ways you can go. So that way, in case you're not moving fast enough and the ape starts coming here, you're not going to get like cornered right off the bat. That would kind of suck. So we got that. So let's go... what do we want to add here? Definitely want to throw Glommer in here. But I like the thickness stuff. Like I said, I'm going to try and add a little more thickness here in a couple of these levels. Let's do that. Let's see. Thinking here, we have a situation where the ape can jump up and then he can jump across. Boom. Maybe that way. I'm just thinking, yeah, that's my ideal thing. Is if you can jump from both sides, having it 3, right, and you can split the difference. That way it works well for both jumps. So I think we'll go with that. And here, boom. Yeah, he can jump down that way. Here he can jump down that way. So I think we're good in terms of our layout. Simple, but effective. Especially when we start throwing some vines on here. How about throwing underneath? Rotate him so he's there and he's stuck underneath. That's kind of fun. Yeah, okay. We'll stick with that and then figure out where he's going to begin, but we definitely want a Glommer. Maybe even do 2 this time. Left. If I move him, he's going to be way off. Shoot. Alright, you know what? I'll just put him over here. Like that. Okay. You face that direction. Let's fix his waypoints. Done. Saved. Alright. Let's see if that's where we want it to be. Yeah, he goes a little over the edge, but yeah, I'm gonna let that slide. I think. I mean, I know the foot that one kind of comes off of the edge, but I like just the distance. Otherwise, it's gonna be such a short run for him there. So I think I can live with that foot just kind of sticking over the edge a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. Okay, let's see. So, do we want to add anything else in here? Yeah, you know what? Okay, I'm just thinking in terms of vines. How about this? We'll throw one, like, up in here. Move it down, and then rotate him so he's on the ceiling. Maybe like so. You know what? I better move him over because otherwise the ape will never touch it. And then it'll always be a threat. So let's go save, play. Yeah. So, oh, okay. So you gotta be a little cautious there. You don't want to double jump because you will hit him. But a single jump will get you there. Even if you do it a little early, you're still gonna hit right there. Squish. Cool. I like that. All right, let me save that. Check my email real quick. All right, nothing exciting. Go. Okay. So, I think we're good. I think we're ready to add ourselves an ape. So we'll put him facing that way. Yep. Done. And we'll just start throwing in a whole bunch of edges. And we'll be good to go. So let's go here, left, right. Yeah, if I was to release this editor, I would have to have all kinds of checks because it's really easy to break it if you're not paying attention. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's... I don't know if... I guess I'll let it go. That's a little tight there. We'll see how it goes. Excuse me. Okay, so that's left. You know, I mean, if I was making this as a user editor, I would probably not have this, but have a check where it looks at the ground underneath to try and figure out if it should automatically be a left, right, or center. But yeah, that'd be a ton of work because it'd have to definitely check for if it's, as soon as you update the terrain, all of these points would have to automatically update themselves, because right now I'm forcing you to clean it up every time you make adjustments to the terrain, which is why I'm doing the terrain first and making sure I really like it before I start making the waypoints, because it's a pain in the butt to clean up, delete, add, and reconnect all these bad boys. Yeah, move them down, and sometimes the colliders get in the way. 6, 7. All right, so, which, by the way, shouldn't have a collider on. That's a bug, I think. Okay, so that's good. So now let's start connecting. Like so. And originally, I had the buttons. I kind of broke it, so now these menus don't have the buttons existing anymore. But it kind of looks cleaner this way. I think the arrow by itself, I think, is plenty. So ironically, I think it made improvement that I could kind of squish these menus down a little bit if I ever get around to it. Oops. And it helps if you hit the right button. Alright, so 4, he can't... Oh, no, actually, that's not going to be reality, is it? He can't jump backwards like that, so let's go back and take that away. That's a -1. Because same thing here. So 4 can only go to 5. 5 can go like that, but 5 can also go down to here, and he can go up. So, yeah, he's going to have a situation, if he wants to come down, he's going to go back around every time. So, that'd be good for the player. And then, oh shoot, I need to fix that, but right now I'll say connect to here. That's not, I want it to go up, but as I talked about before, I only have one available cardinal direction connection for each cardinal direction. But in my second cleanup pass, yet again, another thing that I would have to make better if this became a user level editor. But in my second cleanup pass, I can actually set this so both these guys can be up. The reason I don't want this here is this on the side is because the climb animation would be like a jump across animation. So the animation that plays would be wrong. I think that might even be the case with a couple of my levels I have in existence right now. Every now and then I'll see an animation that looks wrong, and first, of course, I blame my crappy animation, but then I realize, oh, no, actually, it's because he's playing the wrong one. He's playing the sideways jump, and he should be doing the jump down, jump up. So, something that I can look at when I get time. Right now, it's just get everything done, and then worry about making things extra beautiful. Excuse me. All right, so 5 down to 1, 1 up to 5, 6 down to 1. That's good. All right, and then, of course... Excuse me. Let's see. He connects. They connect. Okay, so let's see. I'm thinking, yeah. So both can jump up to 14, but you can jump down from 13 down to here, but you can't jump up. That's too high. So that'd be kind of a cool look, I think. So we'll go here, and he can go up to here, and then 14 will just kind of come down to 6, so he jumps and then lands there. He's going to scrape there a little bit, but I think that's, that should be permissible. Hopefully nobody screams about that too much. And then connect over here. Connect. 2 is going to go up to 7. 7 comes down. 2 goes. And this is another one here where 2 goes to 8. But I've run out of connectors, so I'm going to have to do that after the fact. Actually, you know what? I think that want that to go here already. And I'll fix the 7 in my cleanup pass. That's good. Connect. Connect. Goes down, like so. You can go back up that way. Connect these guys. Okay, I think that's all good down here. Alright, that's good. So let's clean this stuff up here. Connect there. Like so. Boom. Yeah, this is another one too that's interesting. So he can come down, but he's going to have to go the long way around to get back up. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've done one like that, where these big long jumps that he won't be able to go that same direction. So that's when you can exploit, I think. If you go this way, he's going to have to go all the way back here to get to you. So hopefully that'll be something that you can use as a tool. Yeah, so both go down, and neither goes back up that direction because that's too big of a jump. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's pretty big. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, let's finish getting the rest of these guys plugged in. And then, of course, here, he can come down there. And he can go over to 14. 14 can go up to 13. That, he goes to there. And that's all good. And then connect these side by side. Like that. Alright, almost there. To 16. Wait, why'd you say 15? That's not right. 17 connects to Y. Connect. 16, there it goes. For whatever reason, that collider box is up too high, and I was clicking on that. I did a cheat offset, so as a result, the collider box is kind of all screwed up. Oh well. Alright, so that's almost done, but I need to add one more. So I can do my little trick here, right? So this guy, the ape will never be able to go to this point. Oh shoot. Okay, I gotta fix that too. What'll happen is he'll try and come to this point. If I can select it, connect, and he'll come down to 18. There. So if you hide here, kind of like the other ones, right, that'll force him to try and get to you, which is come around this direction, and in the process squish that vine, so allows you to get the heck out of dodge. Let me connect this back up. Back to 16. Good. I think that's everyone. So let me save that. Alright. Let's put it into action. Let's see what we got. Come here. Ah, that's right. He can't. Actually, that's a little hard because he can't go up that way. I might have to fix that because now this is almost borderline impossible to get past him because he's kind of trapped. He can't go up to that other one. Whoa, that's off. Why did he go underneath there? Huh. That was an error. Oh, he did it again. So the jump across, for whatever reason, he's actually kind of going low on that. Let's see if it does that again. Come here. No, he did that one correct. That's okay. That's a weird, scary bug. All right, let me go ahead and clean this up. All right, so I need this to be at least like that. Shoot, even that's gonna be let's go ahead and extend this one this way. Let's move these points over, move this over twice like so, connect down to here, and then now we can actually go up. So now we got a roundabout going here, which we didn't have before. Yeah. And then I think what I'll do is probably put a vine in here or somewhere in here, and then yeah, okay, let's try that. Let's do a vine. Make them like that. Put them right here, and then put a can of food stashed there. Make you earn that one. That might be too tough. Let's see. Whoa, right on me. Come here, buddy. Why is he stopping Okay, that should be... Oh, I must have... One of these is probably classified wrong. No. That's left and right. Oops. Try to hit done there. So why did you stop when you're in between? Unless you're hitting both. No, there's enough space there. Huh. Alright. Don't know why he's taking a sitting break there. Let's see. 8998. Those are correct. 3, 2, 8, 7. Yeah, he's kind of acting like there's no way for him to get to that path, which is not correct. All right. I guess what I could do is throw a couple centers in here just to make sure he has enough to track. Yeah, make him center, and then let's connect like so. Just adding additional waypoint so there's more for it to find a destination, right? Sometimes if there's too big of a gap, it sort of gets confused and comes back with a can't find a path, or it finds one that's way off to the side, which confuses it just as badly. So the simple solution is just to throw in a couple more destinations like that. This one's close, but I guess I could split the difference here. There, save. All right, that should make it behave. So make them come. Yeah, it's doing that. Why is it? I honestly I don't know why it's. Okay, and it's what I now I see where that bug is coming from, because it's going into that temporary rest, and that's sort of shifting its Y, which is incorrect. So when it does a jump, it cleans it up, but the sideways jump, as long as it's doing that sit down. I have no idea. The only thing I think is it's hitting both colliders at the same time. Oh wait. Yeah, I am going back to Unity. Oh, yeah? What was the deciding factor? Sharkbait, how's it going, by the way, buddy? Welcome back, man. Player of Ape. That Python's difficult. Well, welcome back to Unity, man. Welcome back. Alright. So here's what's going on. The variable player of Ape has not been defined. That's kind of... Uh-oh. He's right back at it. Come on, Penny. Nice! There it is. Good snag. Alright. So I'm going to take this out of full screen. Let's see. Ape. That's fine. Player. Yeah, the player's there. So I'm not sure why I was complaining before. 170 back to my highest I've ever been. Come on, Penny. There you go. Nice line drive. Yeah, it's still doing that. And that's strange because I've got... Whoa! He went backwards. Oops. Okay. He does a stop there. Wow, up to 190. Jeez, man. You are climbing the ranks for sure. I am so good. Alright, so I'm just curious if it's because it's the 3. Oops. Didn't mean to actually quit the entire thing, but... 200. Jeez, man. All right. Uh-oh, here we go. Is this it? No! Ah, just too early, man. Just too early. You got to work on that timing. All right. So, here's what I want to find out. See who the culprit is here. Tell you what, we'll do it this way. Platform like that. Edge here. Move. Done. Save. And there you go. Play. All right. Hopefully now. Why? You're gonna get to 250 and stop? Yeah, come here, buddy. That is it. That's it. So yeah, that's it. So it is a situation where I think he's hitting both waypoints simultaneously, which is why I have to, crap. I either have to like revise my code or keep 3 in between, because that's why it's hitting both. Ah. All right. Let's see. I guess what I need to do is actually just revise my code, and just if every time it hits a waypoint, it purges out the old one, so it doesn't get confused. Let me try. So you make colliders so when the animal hits a collider, the bad guy goes over to that spot, right? Yeah, that's these little green spots here. It's just they're waypoints, and then when he hits it, every time he hits one of these colliders, it requests a new pathfinding. Shoot. Right, so I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and delete these since that was not the culprit. And reconnect these things back up again, like so. Excuse me. Okay, so if we do that and extend the platform out. What are the crab things called? Those are called glommers. There you go. Oh, did it break? There you go. Glommers, which came out of the animated episode called More Tribbles, More Troubles. And so Klingons are basically better enemies of Tribbles, right? Tribbles hate Klingons. They can, they freak out every time they're near them. So Klingons genetically engineer glommers to eat Tribbles. That's the only reason they exist. So there you go. So these guys are called glommers. Didn't come up with that myself. That's Star Trek lore right there. Or should I say Star Trek animated lore, which is why this guy looks like he does. All right. So I think if I take this edge and just go ahead and move him out like that. All right. So this is gonna be crappy. Yeah, absolutely. I was, I'm old enough that I was born and raised on the original series. I grew up on that as a kid, and and I think I was in college by the time the Next Generation came about. But yeah, absolutely. I especially the movies. For me, I think with most Star Trek fans, I think The Wrath of Khan is an all-time favorite. Nicholas Myers just did such an amazing job on that one. So, I think it's absolutely my pinnacle, my favorite for Star Trek. I think that movie kind of embodies everything that Star Trek fans think that it should. Alright, so let's try this. It's going to look weird when he jumps, but at least it'll tell if I'm right about this. Yeah, so that is the problem. Yeah, okay. So, we're going to have to do some changes here. Ugh, what I'm going to do here. So I'll take away this one. Can reduce this like so. Maybe make that 3. Oh, crap. See, even if I do a 1, there's potential he may actually try and walk off of it. So that's bad as well. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, and even this one is 3, so that one you can kind of screw up on as well. I hate to say it, but I may have to go back and start doing some major code revision here, because that's just such a broken element. Let me check some of my older ones. Yeah, so I have 2 there. I guess that's just pretty rare. Normally I have like 3 space between them. There's a 2. Yeah. I think that's what's going to happen. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and just revise code. Favorite player. Why is that actually happening though? Let's go out of full screen. That might be part of it too. I don't know why it would go play. Oh, it just hasn't gotten it yet. Okay, so that just happens at the beginning, but then it kicks in and it has the player. So that's just at the start. That's fine. And it doesn't error from that point on. Oh, shoot. I made those changes, but didn't move the waypoints. All right. Let's see. I could do one if I do a 3. So I think that's what I might do. Instead of a center, I could do one where it sort of hard codes the fact that he can't run left or right. Although I think I do a check now. I thought I did where it actually detects the Y and makes sure that it can't run when it shouldn't. So let me test that theory. Tell you what, we'll go ahead and 6. Yeah, I have to. Oh, this is gonna break the crap out of all this, but yeah. Move. Yeah, and this is why I don't do waypoints until I have a better handle on the layout. But yeah, I gotta make this revision. So, oh well. Let's go. Edge, move, done, edge, move, done, connect, nowhere, connect, nowhere, this connects to 6, oh shoot, yeah, I'll leave that be for the moment. Go up to 7, go up to 6, 3, 0. Connects to 6, 8, 7. Okay, that's all still good. Alright, I think everyone else is okay. Yeah. Alright, let's see what this does for us. Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna fix that. So let's move this edge over. Move that edge over. and clear that platform out. There. Save. Play. Uh-oh. When he sits down like that, usually it means that he can't find a path to this. So I broke my waypoints. Let's check this. 2 to 3, 3 to 2, 6 to... Oh, there it is. Oops. Edge. You can't get to there from here. I think that was the problem. So save. Now he should be able to get to me. It's a good way to double check though. If he just sits his butt down and doesn't come after you, then you know that you've screwed something up. Yeah, so now he's going to come. Boom. Roar. Woo. Whoops. Yeah, okay, so that's a bit of a cheat there when he's hitting the edge. Let's go ahead and take away that. Hope we don't have the other problem. If we do, we're just going to leave it be and just trust that I'll fix the code. All right. No, I see that. That's the little sit down thing I'm talking about. That's annoying. And it's like I said, the issue is the fact that he's hitting both waypoints simultaneously. And the situation is sort of like his current waypoint and his destination waypoint are getting unified. And that's the error there. So let's see. Actually, one thing I could do, I think I did this before, but one thing I can kind of cheat is to compress his the thickness of these bad boys. So I'm gonna hit save level. Let's go 11. Transport. Where's my box collider on you, bad boy? Like so. Yeah. I can change that. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what it broke if I did that. Because I know I did this before. I can't remember. I think I did an offset and I didn't actually change the thickness. Let me try that. But then none of these guys are actually referenced in. This is something that bugs me. It's all about having prefabs, right? But if you take this whole section and drag it into and generate a prefab, the prefabs underneath get broken and just sort of become imported, which means that you have to like well, no, actually, wait. No, I guess it's no, actually, they should be prefabs. Maybe because no, because it generates at runtime. You know, it does. Okay, that's what am I thinking? It does generate at runtime. So in theory, if I make the change, it should pick it up. Where's my brain? So let's go. This is jungle, platform edge. So we're gonna make the size 0.5, like so, and we're gonna save that. All right. And I know I'm forgetting what this broke before because I can't quite remember, but this will solve one problem, but it may produce 5 more. So my hope is that that fixes the dual contact where he's touching 2 waypoints at the same time. And we'll find out here fast enough when he comes over here. Nope, he's still hitting both of them. You see where he does a sit down move? That's an indication that he's hitting both of these at the same time. Alright, let me make sure that these colliders actually did get reduced in size. 0.5, yeah, alright. What the heck? Let's go ahead and go nuts. Let's just push our luck. 2-5. Fingers crossed. All right, let's go, buddy. There he goes. All right, come on. Do not set your butt down. Oh, crap. All right, so here's what I want to do here. Okay. Let's find out exactly what's going on here. Ape. All right, so he's coming forward. All right, let's check his, let's see. So let's go into debug. So current edge value and then target edge. So he's at 3 and he's going to go to 8. So that's right so far. He starts to go. Eight and 7. Oh yeah, so there. Oh, there it is. So yeah, I was right though. See, it's his current edge is 7 and his target is 7. So he thinks he's reached his destination and he doesn't understand where he's supposed to go, like something else broke. But that is a situation where I think both are actually touching at the same time. So I think one of the issues is these colliders are predominantly used just to make sure he's not touching the player, right? And if that's for enemies. Yeah, so if I look here, he's at 7, and then he starts to sit down, and then it does a way path, and then it says, oh, I need to go to 6. That's when he wakes up and does just that. All right. So, and I also did a trick before where I was pushing it over to the side. So I may want to reintroduce that. I took it out because it was hitting the edge, but now that I've shrunk the width so far down, I might be able to get away with that again. So I might have to reintroduce that to make sure that it's just not hitting. All right. So, got 2. All right. So we haven't changed anything, but yeah, okay, we haven't changed anything. So I'm going to push my luck even further and see if I can, this is the simple fix, if I can just get it to not hit both at the same time. So if I go 0.1, like that, otherwise I'm going to have to start moving. Yeah. Let's see what we get here. Load. Play. Okay. Nah, see, he hit his butt again. He landed again. Okay, so that's still, even with the 0.1, he's still hitting both. Alright, so what I want to do is find the code that shifted it. Hopefully I just remarked it out. Hopefully I didn't actually delete it. I don't think I did. Let's see. Let's see. Platform edges. It'd be collider. No. Crap. Edge scripts. Maybe I put it in here. No. Crap. Yeah, it's been a while since I touched this one, so I'm trying to remember. Let's see. Okay, so we do it by edge. I can't type. Edge scripts, and it would be edge type. Oh, it's gonna be an array. Really? Why am I not seeing anyone? Really? I literally... Okay. I guess it did in a game. God, it's been too long since I did this, where I did this trick of offsetting it based on its position. So, excuse me. How about if we do it this way? We do search for an edge type equals 1. No, that's contact. Yeah, that's fine. That's not it. Nope. We try. Come on. Nope. I can't remember what it was. Crap. Okay. Let's see. I guess if I just do it right when I do the assignment, if I do it that way. So let's do it that way. Let's go. Let me think here. All right. So go jungle, edges, assignment. That's what I want. Because I'm too lazy to remember how I did this. Why I need a real programmer so he can do this crap right the first time. Set to left platform edge. There it is. Level editor. Oh, that's where he is. All right. Okay, so platform edge. Let's see. This edge as text. Because set. Okay, so set edge to left. So wow, did I remove it completely? Platform edge, set edge to left. There it is. There it is. Found it. There he is. So do my offset of like left. Do it like do negative 0.5. There it is. I'm going to do it before I was pushing it way far over, but I do 0.5, and because I've compressed it so much, hopefully that's going to make it behave. So, found the code. Thinking it through now, obviously it's right where it should be. That makes sense, but... Okay. Let's go. Let's try it. Crossing fingers. Thank you, OP. Here we go. And don't hit your butt. Don't hit. Oh, come here, buddy. There you go. Don't hit your butt. Don't hit your butt. He did hit his butt. There he goes. So that solves it. I don't know if that breaks other stuff, but that solves the issue of now I have room, right? So I can have these be a couple across, and he's not hitting 2 waypoints simultaneously. So shrinking the collider box down to virtually nothing, at least on the horizontal. Whoa, that sucked. Yeah, but if it's still, that's too close. That was a situation where test every map to make sure everything is fine. Yeah, that's what early access is for, right? All right, so so I can do that. Let's see. I'm curious if I do it here. If he jumps up like that. Yeah, see, that's the bug right there. That's what I was talking about. So that's one I got to make sure that I get that one checked as well. All right. So that fixes that. Okay. So I still need to at least have 2 across, though, to make it behave. But that still gives me breathing room now. So if I trust in the fact that if I have a 3 thickness, then I should be fine. So let's go back to playing here. So what we do is like this, like that. Edges. Oh, I missed it. How'd you do? Did she catch it? All right, so then I need to introduce a new one there. So, OP Scriptor, what's going on, buddy? Not sure if you've been hanging around a while, but here you go. I got to show off. I'm very happy about this. There you go. Tribble Troubles is now on Steam. Or, well, okay, let me rephrase. It's listed, complete with wish list and a release date of July 10th. There's a fingers crossed for you. But, yeah, finally got it through. And I got myself some pretty slick, there you go, some animated GIFs, whatever you want to call them, to help try and sell the whole gameplay. So, pretty stoked about that. Yeah, it went through pretty fast, too. I'm not sure what the usual process is, but I submitted it yesterday for review, and this morning they gave it a thumbs up. So, yay. Let's go edges, move. All right, so down 1, 5, 7. We're gonna remove that and add a new edge here. Connect like so, connect like so. Ah, not move. Connect to him, 18, 16. Oh, I need one more too. Shoot. Let's see, so let's just borrow from over here. Move him over. Move him over. So yeah, if I have 2, then I'm pretty okay. Done. And he can jump down. Okay, yeah, I can make this work. So 18 connects, we say connects to 2. 2 can connect up to 7. You can jump across. Oh. Let me do this. You're obsessed. Edges. There you go. Hey, you're on the board with 10. Move. 13. Done. he can jump down to there. That's good. Okay. He can't jump up. He's got to come over there to jump up. That makes sense. He's got 3. He's got 2 in between, 2 in between. I need to add 1 here. Let's go edges here. Move him over. Right, and then he will go down to 4. To 4, like so. Hey, Sharkbait is back. Welcome back. You gotta make up for lost time. OP Scripter was stealing your thunder there, buddy. Boom. Nice. Back up to 190. Yep. You're gonna go for that lead, aren't you? Alright, save as 11. Okay. Yep. Save. Okay, here we go. Alright. So now, in theory, we're good. Boom. Yeah, he's scraping that, but oh well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, back to 170. She let you down. Whoa. Whoa, that was a big jump. Yeah. He goes to 18, not to 6. Save. Alright. Fill my glass here for a sec. And watch the big toss. Oh, right in the dirt. Okay, you can't blame that one on Penny. Going the wrong way, man. Well, he's still in 3rd. That's the good news. But that first place kind of slipping away from you there. Yeah. All right. So. All right. Oh no. Jeez, man. Penny is not getting it done for you. Look at that. Oof. Yeah, you're tied for 4th now. At this rate, I don't even have to toss anymore to win. It's sort of like war games, right? The best strategy is to not play. Which, by the way, is also the same strategy here in Las Vegas. What's the best way to win in Las Vegas? Don't play. One of my all-time favorite lines, William Holden in the movie Stalag 17, which inspired the TV series Hogan's Heroes. But yeah, William Holden, and he has that one line that I love so much. I only bet when I like the odds. I love that, man. That is just so true. Let's see. So, oh, and speaking of sayings, too, I heard one the other day, right? It's so funny, I looked it up, and I was trying to figure out where it came from. So the saying was, paraphrasing, but lions are not concerned with the thoughts of sheep, right? Or excuse me, with the opinions. Lions are not concerned with the opinions of sheep, right? So I was curious. I had to look it up. It's like, is that like a Sun Tzu reference, right? It's, one of these, one of these kind of Machiavellian style turns of phrase. I looked it up, and it turns out it came from Game of Thrones. So kudos to Game of Thrones of creating a nice little turn of phrase that has a very classical feel to it. There he goes. All right. So, yeah, I think he's behaving well now. So I guess a rule of thumb is that I have to have it at least have 4 across for it to totally behave. Boom. Like so. Whoa. What up, buddy? That hit 220-yard legends. I think I'm one of them. And I didn't cheat, as far as you know. But yeah, Maboob was playing the crap out of that, man. I don't know how high he got, but I think he had sort of like a bad streak as well. So I think his high score is actually even higher than that at one point. Oh, cool. So you can have him take out that vine up here, too. Come here, buddy. There it goes. Nice. So that would spawn some gems for you. There he goes. Yeah, really. He did. Yeah, but so the bummer thing from Maboob, he hasn't been around lately, but his thing is, I think he actually changed his handle, right? And the way this works is it feeds exclusively off of your username. So if you update your username, I think you end up having to start all the way back at the beginning. So he played it again when he came back a while back, and I thought at first it's like my game broke, right? Because he wasn't getting his score updated, but I thought about it after the fact and I realized, oh, wait a second, I think he actually changed his username. So, you know, but I mean, that's totally out of my hands there because, you know, you can only use the information that it lets you have, right? All right. So we're good here. So I'm going to say save level. I guess what I could do is to test this. Let's go back over into jungle. That means I can't change my name now to Cookie Monster. Shark bait, hoo ha ha. I feel like doing that every time I read your name. Shark bait, hoo ha ha. Yeah. Finding Nemo. I don't know if that's where it actually came from, but that's what always makes me think of is the classic Finding Nemo. Shark bait, hoo-ah! Okay, so let's jungle. So let's try this out, shall we? He's gonna give him a hug. There he goes, doing his thing. Gives me a gem here. Boom, boom. Yep. Come over this way, buddy. Come on. There he goes. Now I can go do my thing up here. Yeah. There you go. Oh, shoot. Can I get to that gem in time? Yes, I can. Come here. Squish. Alright, how about this one? You want to take out this vine for me? Yeah. Oh, you jerk. Oh, that gem went the wrong way. Not getting that one. Alright, I think I can make him take out this one as well. If I come all the way over here. Like so. Oh, nope, maybe not. Okay, you might have to get that one manually. But at this point, I think we're good, so we're going to let him get chomped. Ah, I couldn't get that one otherwise. That was cheap. Stupid game. There you go. Come here. There you go. Alright, hit one more time. Yep, thank you. Come on over here. Come on. There you go. There we go. Got my health back. At least got one of them. Boom. Yo! That was a move. Alright. Go ahead and clear out the exit for me. Done. Ooh, I can get that one. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Uh-oh. Yay! Got it. Come here. Oh, you're doomed, buddy. Squish. Oh, I lost one of the gems down into the lava. That was bad luck. I got most of them, though. Cool. Alright, so I don't see it, my changes to the collider boxes at the waypoints, I don't see that affecting anything yet, which is a good sign. And Sharkbait desperately tries to catch up. Alright, that's a bug. Don't know why something's breaking on those. Let's see. Wait. Pause. Ding and error. I noticed this before too. When I was playing some of the levels on here, the gems get spawned, but it just shows the sparkle, doesn't show the gem, and it just kind of takes off in left field. So that's something I have to track down, I think, at some point, but not at the moment. Alright, so I'm going to chalk that up to as we're good. So that level is hunky-dory, the new one I just made. So I'm going to hit Control S. No, I haven't done anything new. Alright. I don't know why it's showing the asterisk, but if I hit Control S, it does nothing. If I go save project, it still doesn't go away. That's a Unity feature. Alright, let's go back in level editor. Let's bring that back up. Excuse me. Alright, I'm going to start a spaceship level now. Alright, let's go switch over to spaceship. Alright, and then start this. Just get this started like this. And I'm going to duck out for a quick second, but I'll be right back, and I'll switch it over so Sharp Bacon, you can still do your frisbee toss here. Oh, she didn't hear it. Good. But yeah, hang tight. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so at this point I've been going for almost 2 hours, and I realized that I have not done a gratuitous plug on the game. So for those that are just coming around and don't know what I'm working on, I'll give you a little context. First off, I'll go ahead and do a gameplay trailer play, because I'm still happy that I just finished this recently. So, dog's getting feisty. Penny wants her backyard time. She's starting to get upset. Let's see. 1 second. Let me get in the right folder here. There you go. Whoa. That's not what I wanted. Let me back up here. Alright, so this is the gameplay trailer for the game I'm currently working on. It is called Tribble Troubles, and it is based on Tribbles from Star Trek. For those that are under the age of 40, 45, don't know what a Tribble is. Tribbles come from the old TV series Star Trek. They're cute little furry creatures that have a bad habit of eating all the food, the grain that they find on ships. So they came from an episode called the Tribble Troubles. And I have a license to make a game based on Tribbles specifically, and Glommers. Glommers came out of the animated Star Trek show. Glommers were actually created by Klingons, and Glommers' only reason for being is to eat Tribbles, because Klingons and Tribbles hate each other like Bloods and Crips. So there you go. There is the gist of it, and here is the gameplay trailer. And for those that have seen this before, sorry about the redundancy. But here you
Space. The final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship. Is that a Tribble? On my ship! Tribble Troubles. Boldly go where no Tribble has gone before. Play as a Tribble that's been beamed into the core of a hostile
You
planet.
like that, Bloods and Crips?
You'll have to jump, climb, and squish your way to safety. Face off against dangerous Glonners, speedy sandworms, relentless alien apes, and phaser-toting crew members. Battle your way through 16 challenging levels across 4 different environments. Collect gems to score power-ups, like shields and sonic attacks. Complete missions and unlock new outfits to personalize your Tribble. Tribble Troubles, beaming down in July for Xbox, Steam, and mobile.
There you go. So there you go. There is a quick rundown of what the game is. And one last gratuitous plug is the fact that, so I just got the game live on Steam, or at least the page is live. Shooting for a July 10th release. That is the target, if I can get all my work done. There you go. Congrats. Nice toss there, buddy. So, yeah, feel free to head over to Steam if you want to give me some success. Oh, you're up to 210. Nice, man. Nice comeback. Yeah, I would love to see some wish lists pop up there. So, you know, not begging, but just asking politely. So, anyways, there it is. So, for those that don't know what I was working on, that is the context. For those that do and have seen that video 5 times or 6 times already, sorry. But you got to plug away, right? That's the whole point. All right. So, Sharpbait, you going to like quit while you're ahead, or are you going to try and push your luck? See if you can get closer. Let's go like that. All right. So, I'm going to start working on a spaceship one. You going to push it? Here he goes. All right. So as I talked about before, so the spaceship level, there's a little more challenge here because it's a situation where I got to try and... Oh, there you go, man. This is the downfall. No, not yet. Look at that, 220. Although you are due. OMG. So the challenge here is the fact that... So there's a door, which is missing. Let me turn on the door. Right? The door here. So the idea of it... And it's on the wrong side. I know. But that's fine. It's just a level editor. So the idea is the door is closed, and you want to try and progress on the next level. So you have to find the main computer, jump on it, and that will open the door. But at that point, the crew member will stop chasing you and try and get to the computer and lock you back into the room before you can exit. So there's a little bit of a puzzle element to the spaceship sector, which is the last of the 4 areas that you have to deal with. All right. So... Having said that, let's go ahead and start playing here. Nice. She's treating you well, man. You guys are in sync. Oh, jeez. Hey, look at that, man. You jumped ahead of me. Look at that. I'm now 3rd place. Impressive. Okay. So, do I want to start off with the closed off there, or do I want to give you alternate? Kind of like I was doing for the jungle, right? It's kind of good to give you a couple options in terms of which way you want to go. You're 70 points away from being 1st place. That's a lot, dude. You're due for some misses. Not that I'm trying to jinx you or anything, but let's see. Uh-oh. You know, that wasn't a jinx. That was not my fault. Let's see. Yeah, yes, it was. It just, statistically speaking, I just thought it was like, you know, all right, I'm not doing that just because I got 2nd place back, right, all to myself again. Let's see. Do I want to go like, no, okay. So here, that's right, I need to make this 3. He needs 3 because he's that tall. There you go. 2nd place. You got it back. Let's see, 4. Tossed it. There you go. Okay. Yeah, leave that as 3, and that should be okay. Nice. Well, you're doing it, man. You got a good roll going, but, you know, not trying to jinx you, but you are due again. Let's see. What do I want to do here? I think I'll put the computer down here. Wow. You are definitely on a hot streak. You're definitely on a hot streak. All right, so computer here. We need to make this like a windy kind of thing. Windy, not whiny. Like so. Yeah, one play away from first. No pressure. Uh-oh, and it broke. It couldn't take the pressure. Hold on. Let me close it and restart it. Yeah. No, it's a yeah, I have an array error somewhere. I haven't taken the time to go back and fix it. Let's go build. All right, here she comes. Walking down the street. All right. Let me reconnect it. There it is. All right. You're back in business, buddy. Here he goes. And oh, there it is. There it is. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, you know what? If I do it the other way, that might be interesting. So let's go ahead and... You broke it again? Really? What are you doing to her, man? Okay. I think that's trying to tell me it's time to shut down. I think this Penny, she's breaking it because she wants me to go in the backyard and actually do it for real. So, one sec. Let's go. Build. I better just leave that folder available considering it seems to be breaking more. There you go. All right. You're alive again. Let's see. Here it goes. Got it. Oh, at 250. Look at that. High score in striking range. I don't know. Oh, what? Did you lose points or something? That wasn't me. All right. So, wow. Dude, I don't know, seriously. I don't remember anyone having that good of a run. You were on a roll. Yeah, it kind of looks that way. All right. So, let's do it. How about this? This would be cool. We'll do it like this. Let's see. You're jinxing yourself, man. You're absolutely jinxing yourself, I'm telling you. All right. I'm going to bring him over. Done. Get myself a little more room to play over here. The gambler in me tells me to quit going, but I feel like I will lose if I go again. Here you go. Okay, fine. I'll help you out. I'll take one for the team. Oh! Oh, I stole it from you. Uh-oh. Now. It's like Russian roulette. All right. Yep. But I don't know, man. Uh-oh. He's rolling the dice. Here it comes. No. Oh! I thought you were doomed on that one. Alright, this is kind of cool. This nice big long stretch here, but I think I want to be able to block it. Because I don't want you to be able to get straight out there. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'll move this over to like that. 20 points away. You got to do it. It tasks you. Alright, there we go. Done. And then this goes over 2. That'll give me a little room to play. Look at that. Uh-oh. See, now that here's the gambler that's trying to make up for the, you know, the failure, right? So now you're going to start pushing it. Yeah, 270. The push works. Let's see. Here's where I want. All right, so maybe if I make this a 1. That has to be 3. That has to be 3. Uh-oh. You are just... You are just harsh on this thing today. Hold on. I've never seen it crash that many times, man. Okay, you're doing some secret code, aren't you? I'm missing it. I'm not paying attention, but you're slipping in some secret code that's trashing it, aren't you? Okay. So what I gotta try and do is figure out a way. See, I need 2 here, I need 2 there. And I need the 3 height here. But I want that to go further, so you have to really earn it. So I need that. I need it go like that, but I need that. Damn. I hate to say it, but I'm going to have to reverse this, I think. No. Okay, I guess... Yeah, maybe reverse the directions. So that's 4. How'd you do? Oh, wow. 280. Quit while you're ahead, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is not going to end well. I feel it. Uh-oh. Here it goes. And... Not going to happen. Nope. Not getting first place yet. Sorry, man. All right, so 2. Let's go this way. Let's go. Ah, shoot! But I want that. You're an achiever. All right, I'm gonna move this over. I think that's what I gotta do here, because I really want that. I keep playing. I need like a group select so I can like move all this crap in one fell swoop. Okay, it's not got the room there. That's pretty good. Better hurry, man. I'm going to wrap up here pretty soon. I think I'm just about done here for the day. Three. Let's see. I want that way. Let's see. I guess I could do something. No, I don't want to chance that. 3. Crap. Just can't make this work yet. There's the 2. All right. Oh, I know. I'd put electricity in there. That would do it. If I add electricity here. Yeah. I think that's what I'm missing. To shoot. Yeah. All right. I think I'm going to save this off and wrap up here. So, cause not quite going the direction I want. I'm not sure if I want to keep tweaking this or if I'm going to scrap and start over. So that's Spaceship 9, so this be Spaceship 10. All right, Sharkbait. If you're going to do one last attempt, you better do it fast, because I am just about going to wrap this up. Because that's longer than 30 seconds, buddy. Okay. Squeaked it in. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. So where are you at now? Oh, wow. I didn't realize you dropped. Back down to 230. Oh, geez. You took a hit, didn't you? All right. You got second. I'll give you a couple more tries, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap up after that. Leave off on a good note. Okay. There you go, man. Yeah. Stop at second. You can come back Friday. You didn't learn. You're such a gambler. You didn't learn. Here you go. Oh, okay. No mas. No mas, man. Don't do it again. All right. I better stop this down before Sharkbait drops himself down to like 150. Just consider this like incentive to come back Friday, right? And then, then you can go after that first place spot. Which you'll probably do. As close as you've already gotten. Yeah. All right, Sharkbait, buddy. Thanks for coming around again, man. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and keep working, but excuse me. I'm going to wrap up the stream for the moment, but I will be back on Friday. I haven't been chatty today. Anyways, thanks for the stream. OP, man, thanks for coming around. Yeah, you were there. You said hello for a little while, so that's cool. Thanks for hanging out with me. I do appreciate it. He's another hug. Go give him another hug. But yeah, so I'll be back on Friday. Hopefully, now that I got all the other crap out of the way. Oh, mutual hugs all around. So yeah, I got all the Steam stuff done. Yay. I finished up all my crap, my setup work for the meeting stuff I got for next week. And Penny is literally crying right now. She's getting really unhappy that she's definitely trying to tell me it's time. So let me wrap up here. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I will be back in 2 days, starting at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, going for another couple hours. Adios. Adios, OP Scripter. See you guys on Friday. Take care. Adios.